Welcome to another video in our XXOTO software tutorial series. In this video, we'll explore the Del feature function, which allows you to remove unwanted parts of a design. This is particularly useful when working with vehicle data that has regional variations or when there are parts of the design, like radar holes, that you don't need. Let's go through the steps for deleting a specific part, such as a radar hole. 1. Click on the Del feature function. 2. Click and hold the left mouse button to draw a box around the radar hole you want to delete. Once selected, the part will change color. 3. Right-click anywhere on the blank space to confirm the deletion, and you'll see the radar hole is now removed. 4. If you want to delete multiple parts, such as several radar holes, click on the Del feature function again, then hold the Shift key while selecting each radar hole. After selecting all the parts, right-click to confirm, and all the selected parts will be deleted. Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to use the Del feature function. Be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and advanced techniques with XXOTO software.